Hello everyone, it's Gigi. I hope everyone's having an amazing week. And I have some projects to share for the Snowmen of January, who is hosted by Anna White. Hi Anna. And I'm going to be using the January kit from the Simon Says stamp. And it was called Warmest Wishes. And I used some of the papers from La La Land Starry Night. And I used some of these hearts from Bo Bunny. They're called Candy Dots. And I use this Pink Fresh standalone cuts diagonal stitched rectangles. And then I use this Mama Elephant Winter Forest Cover Creative Cuts plate on both my cards. And then I used the Warmest Wishes stamp set from Simon Says Stamp. And then I also used the coordinating dies. Now let me show you the cards I created. Oh, I also used a jelly roll pen. I used a white. So I made this one first. And I used my Copics to do all the coloring. And on the inside, I used "We're so far apart, and I wish we were closer so I could hug you." And I used the same sentiment on both of them. And then on my next one, I made this one. I'm gonna send this one to my aunt. And this one says the same thing. "We're so far apart, and I wish we were closer so I could hug you." And so those are the two cards I made for this Snowmen of January. I hope you enjoyed. I thank you guys for watching. I love you. Bye.